So I'm at booth 117, and it is Rainbow System, and I'm here with Boris. Now, Boris, tell me first of all, what is Rainbow System? I see a lot of pictures back here.
Rainbow System is something which you can clean your home without harming yourself.
Really? Define that. What does that mean?
Physically, we use water instead of the filter, and water it takes 100% of a dust mite poop instead of the blowing that.
You just said dust mite poop.
Correct.
Right? Okay,
correct.
I just wanted to make sure I heard
That's
it right.
90% of household dust.
And this really works and gets it out.
Oh, it not only gets it out, it's get it out of your closet, it's get it out of your home, it's get it out of your air and put it into the plants. You can put it on the ground and use it as a fertilizer.
Oh, so you just pour it right out into a garden.
It's a beautiful fertilizer, yes.
So tell me, then you actually have water in the system.
Correct. Water is the filter, and it takes the dust to the nano level and it cleans it on the nano level. And water has that ability instead of the dry filter like a bag or maybe paper filter.
Right. Well, you know, in full disclosure, I have to tell you, I grew up, my mother loved Rainbow vacuums. She had one. I was of the three boys, I had to vacuum. It was so exciting every time I vacuumed because I would put in clean water, you know, and then I would vacuum. It was really super dirty.
Isn't it?
And I always thought, that'll make Mom proud because I really got stuff clean.
It does make me happy. I don't need to sleep with that.
No, you know, yeah. So there's a lot of stuff it does that besides vacuuming, though.
Correct. It's the air purifier, it's air sanitizer, it's air humidifier, it's vacuum cleaner, it can clean wood floors, it can clean tile floors, but the most important, your health.
Right.
You see how much you cost, and the water physically protects you.
Well, so, you know, here's what we're going to do. We're going to actually clean the rug that we're over here
That's
on.
right. I have the fresh water here.
Show them the fresh water.
Then this is the fresh water we're going to use is a filter, and we're going to clean part of that rug, and we're going to see what it's going to have.
Let's take a minute and do it then.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, Boris, so it did not take that long that we were vacuuming, and that clean water now looks like this.
And can you believe it? It's been on this rug, and right now it's attached to that water, and it's not going to fly back to you.
Right. And this rug was not exceptional. If you walk by it, you would never go, that's a filthy rug.
Oh, yeah, it's a clean rug.
And yet, here it is, the clean rug had all this in it.
Absolutely. Then this is the micro dust, which sticks to the water, which you can never get any other way.
And it does nothing better than being dumped out into the yard because then it's gone completely.
Yeah, it's gone.
And then I still love, you know, the great memories I had of this as a child was the fragrances. I loved that part of it that you could put in
the water. That's the safest way you can introduce fragrance into your home.
So, you know, really, if people are interested, if they've never heard of it, they can stop by the booth here and you can just fill them in on all kinds of information.
Absolutely. Booth number 117. And we always like to have new customers, and we welcome our old customers. The product been around for 82 years, and it's made in the United States, which is very important for me.
Exactly.
And you can help this company and help yourself to be healthier, which is more important than anything else.
And it's one of the things that we gardeners love to do is grow our own produce because we want to be healthy there. So this is a way to take that desire into the house.
Organic fertilizer.
Well, you know, certainly when you come out to the show today, you should stop by the booth at 117 and talk to Boris. And if you're not coming to the show, you can go over to gardentime.tv. We can click you over to their website and you can still gather that information.
It's rainbowsystem.com.
There you have it. Thank
or
you so
can
much.
Call me at 503-888-9153.
We like options. Thank you, Boris.
You're welcome.